Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 10, and the topic is homonyms, words with more than one meaning. Here it is written, some words have more than one meaning, we know it, they are called homonyms. Here one example is given with sentence C, the brown bear climbed the tree, Sandra could hardly bear the pain. In this place, bear is used as an animal, and this place bear is used for tolerate, means Sandra could hardly bear the pain. Okay, so there are more examples of words like this, means spelling is same but different meaning. We need to use these in sentences. See, what are these words? Bark, blow, chest, fair, kind, light, match, ring, shed, watch. Here the exercise that is told, use the words in the list above to fill the spaces in the sentences. The same word must be used for each pair of sentences. See, the lawn mower is kept in the garden. Many trees dash their leaves in the autumn. So it's so hard for you if you don't know the meaning of the words of this place. After that, you get the correct word if you read two sentences properly or attentively. See, in this sentence, in the first sentence, the lawn mower is kept in the garden. If you don't understand what we'll put here, you can read this one, many trees dash their leaves in the autumn. So, after reading these two sentences, I think you can get one. See, bark, it cannot be, blow, no, chest, fair, no, fair, kind, no, light, no, match, no, ring, no, shed. Shed is the correct answer or correct word for this place. So, we can write here shed, and many trees shed their leaves in the autumn, we know this also. Okay. So, now you will understand the lawn mower is kept in the garden shed, we know this, and many trees shed their leaves in the autumn. Usually many trees do it, it is natural thing. 2 number, the woman put 1 pound in the collecting box. This is a different dash of toffee. So, what can be here? There is a one woman who have put 1 pound in collecting box. So, what type of woman she is? So, let us say bark, no, blow, no, chest, no, fair, no, kind. She can be a kind woman, and see, this is a different kind of toffee. So, there we have found one word. It is time to dash to school bell. The wedding dash was made of solid gold. So, what can be bell, school bell? What its work? See, bark, no, blow, no, chest, fair, no, light, no, match, ring, this one. So, it is a time to ring the bell. The wedding ring was made of solid gold. So, I think you have understood this. 4 number, the oak tree has a rough. The dog began to dash when the children teased him. It's so easy. The oak tree has a rough what? Bark, and the dog began to bark when the children teased him. So, we can write here bark, and in this place also bark. So, this has gone already. Now, much damage is done when high winds dash. A dash on the head knocked the boxer out. What it can be? 5 number. Much damage is done when high winds blow, and a blow on the head knocked the boxer out. So easy. Blow, and here it will be also blow. Next one here it is written, Sarah has very dash here. There were many amusement at the dash. Here 6 number, it can be Sarah has very dash here. Fair here, see. Sarah has very fair here, and there are many amusement at the fair. This is another place, you know. Sarah has very fair hair. Here fair is used to describe her hair's type, and here fair is described to show the place where many people go to buy and sell many things and to enjoy the place. I think you know this: fair, book fair, trade fair, or different type of fair. My new dash keeps very good time. We did not dash television last. So my new what my new watch, my new watch keeps very good time. We did not watch television last night. The parcel was as dash as a feather, and the bedside lamp gave out lots of. It's so easy. The parcel was as what? See, you will understand it. It's so easy. It is light. Okay, this light. Here it will be light. The parcel was as light as a feather, and the bedside lamp gave out lots of light. 9 number, there was a big crowd at the football dash. Granddad struck a dash and lit his pipe. Here, without taking help from the box, I think you can write the match, and Granddad struck a match and lit his pipe. See, is it here the word match? Yes, here this one is here. So we will put here match at the match, and this is Granddad struck a match and lit his pipe. 10 number, there one word is only left. Let's do it. James has a cold on his dash. The tools are kept in a big wooden dash. So let's see what is written and what is left actually at last. At last we have done it first time. Chest is left. So let's see, is it appropriate word for these places? James has a cold on his chest. Yes, this is. And the tools are kept in a big wooden chest. Okay. Hope you have understood today's topic easily. This is so important topic for you. You need to keep remember these types of words forever. You will meet this type of words when you will read or write. So next day I will do with you page number 11. The topic is using capital letters. Bye for today.